have to do? You have to put it in here?
Yeah.
And then what?
Do it
Like this?
No, like this.
Oh, like this. Like, oh! Tell Mom what I did.
What happened?
It fell white in the water.
Fell in the water. Okay. Whoa, you guys can swing the apples.
Mine went way over there. Let's try to do.
How'd she do it?
That one's a little tricky. It's not angled right.
Look at Mom. What did I do?
What happened to Grandma's apple? It keeps falling out?
It went right in the water.
There goes Grandma's. Whoa, look at Lakin's. Do another one, honey, and I want to see how far it can go.
I'm going to try again.
That one's kind of messed up. Here goes Lakin's. Whoa!
There mine went.